Yeah, good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of what? Benzene. Okay, so benzene undergoes what? Electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. In general, benzene is unsaturated compound with three pi bonds. Okay, when it is unsaturated compound, it must undergo only addition reactions in general. But here benzene, though it is unsaturated compound, it undergoes both addition reactions and substitution reactions along with some oxidation reactions. So the benzene exhibits what? Which type of substitution? Electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution meaning what? In benzene ring, the hydrogen atom is replaced by electrophile. Electrophile is substituted in the place of hydrogen atom of benzene. That is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, why electrophilic substitution? Why not nucleophilic substitution in benzene ring? Is that benzene is having three pi bonds. The benzene nucleus has how many pi bonds? Three pi bonds. The three pi bonds have how many electrons totally? How many electrons totally? There are six electrons, six pi electrons. So the pi electrons, the pi bonds will make it what? Unsaturated. Okay. And due to these pi electrons, as pi electrons are delocalizing inside the benzene ring, okay, so it what here acts as nucleophilic center. The benzene nucleus acts as what? Nucleophilic center. The nucleophilic center meaning what? Nucleophilic center means what? Nucleophilic center means electron rich center. So the electron rich nucleophilic center, it acts as benzene. That is why the nucleophile will attract what? Only electrophiles. Nucleophile will attract only electrophiles. In that way, the electrophiles are attracted by benzene. So electrophile only can be substituted in benzene ring. Nucleophile cannot be substituted. Suppose you take alkene molecule, alkene. Okay, alkene is with double bond, right? That is unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkene. That alkene, if you take, in case of alkene, what will be happening there? Electrophile will be added, not substituted. In case of alkenes, electrophile is added to the molecule. That is electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction is different. Electrophilic substitution reaction is different. So benzene is unsaturated compound with double bond, right? And alkene is also, suppose any alkene molecule if you take, it is also with one double bond, unsaturated compound. Okay, now the alkenes undergo what? The alkenes undergo addition reactions. Okay, and benzene undergoes what? Substitution reaction also. And alkenes undergoes which addition reaction? Electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophile is added to alkene molecule, that is electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, and benzene undergoes which type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction. That means electrophile is substituted in place of one hydrogen atom of the benzene. So one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by what? Electrophiles. That is called electrophilic substitution reaction. And benzene is aromatic compound, right? Therefore, it is called electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, we say. Short form is what? EAS. EAS stands for electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of benzene. Okay, so benzene undergoes different types of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Before going to learn different types of that reactions, first we must understand the mechanism of a typical electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay, the typical reaction we are going to discuss now. Suppose if you take what now here, first thing the benzene. So electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of benzene. Okay, so in this case now look at this. There are three steps totally. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. There are three steps in electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of benzene. Okay, so first step, if you take here, ENU is one molecule we have taken. ENU is a molecule taken. This ENU molecule in the presence of catalyst dissociates into E plus and Nu minus. Tell me what is E plus here? E plus is electrophile or nucleophile? Is it electron deficient or electron rich? Tell me. It is electrophile. Electrophile. So this electrophile indicates what here? Electron deficient species. Electron deficient electrophile is formed here. So the electron deficient electrophile, okay, electron deficient electrophile is formed along with what? Nu minus. Nu minus is called what here? Nucleophile. Nucleophile. Okay, so nucleophile, electrophile are formed here. In the first step, the molecule in the presence of catalyst dissociates into electrophile and nucleophile. That point keep in mind. So the first step is what here? The formation of electrophile. The formation of electrophile is the first step of EAS. EAS stands for electrophilic aromatic substitution. So the first step includes what? Tell me. Formation of E plus. E plus means what? Electrophile. Electrophile is nothing but electron deficient. The electron deficient electrophile is formed in step 1 of EAS. Okay. Now listen carefully. What are the different types of electrophiles involved in the reactions of benzene? We have to understand. In electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of benzene, which type of electrophiles are going to be involved? That we have to understand first here. So electrophile is nothing but electron deficient species here. So electrophile may be Cl plus. Cl plus is what? Chloronium ion. What is the name of Cl plus? Chloronium ion. We know that Cl minus is chloride ion. Cl minus is what? Chloride. But Cl plus ion is called what? Chloronium. This chloronium can be produced by using AlCl3 or FeCl3. AlCl3, aluminum chloride, anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3 can be used to produce what? Cl plus. Okay, so FeCl3 or next what? AlCl3. Anyone can be used because the FeCl3 molecule and AlCl3 molecule both are what? Electron deficient species. They are electron deficient species. Electron pair acceptors. Electron pair acceptors. Electron pair acceptors are called what? Lewis acids. Lewis acids are what? Electron pair acceptors. So the Lewis acid, Lewis base, we have to understand first. Lewis acid is what? Electron pair acceptor. Lewis base is what? Electron pair donor. Okay, the aluminum chloride and ferric chloride, FeCl3, both act as what? Lewis acids, and they are also called Lewis catalysts. What are they called? Lewis catalyst. Okay, so each FeCl3 molecule or AlCl3 molecule, each one is called what? Lewis catalyst. So the Lewis catalyst is used to produce what? The Cl plus chloronium electrophile. And we also can get Br plus. Br plus is what? Bromonium electrophile. What is Br plus here? Bromonium electrophile. This bromonium electrophile can be produced by using what? By using bromonium can be produced by using FeBr3 now. FeBr3 or AlBr3. Generally FeBr3 will be used. FeBr3 means ferric bromide. Ferric bromide can be used. Ferric bromide can be used to produce what here? Br plus. Okay, from bromine molecule, Br2 molecule, Br plus can be obtained by using what? FeBr3. And here, in this case, Cl plus can be produced from Cl2 molecule. From Cl2 molecule, Cl plus can be produced by using FeCl3. What we can use? FeCl3. FeCl3 can be used to produce what? Cl plus. FeBr3 can be used to produce what? FeBr3 can be used to produce Br plus. So Br plus and Cl plus are called what? Chloronium ion here, bromonium ion. These two can be produced. That point keep in mind. Next, this electrophile used in this reaction may be NO2 plus. It may be NO2 plus. NO2 plus is called nitronium ion. NO2 plus is called nitronium ion. So this nitronium ion NO2 plus can be produced from HNO3 molecule. It is obtained from HNO3 molecule. HNO3 molecule meaning what? Nitric acid. The nitric acid molecule can produce what? NO2 plus in presence of sulfuric acid. Remember that we are going to discuss everything. So this NO2 plus nitronium electrophile can be produced in the presence of what? H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. That point keep in mind. Nitronium electrophile can be used, chloronium electrophile can be involved here, and SO3H plus. SO3H plus is called sulfonium ion. Sulfonium ion. Sulfonium electrophile we say. Sulfonium electrophile can be used. Or SO3 molecule. SO3 molecule also electron deficient. Electron deficient is nothing but electrophile. So SO3 or SO3H plus, any one of these two can be used in the reaction called sulfonation. In the reaction called sulfonation, what can be involved as electrophile? SO3H plus or SO3 molecule. Anyone can act as what? Electrophile in that reaction. And in nitration reaction, NO2 molecule, NO2 electrophile can act as what? Electrophile. NO2 electrophile can be substituted in nitration reaction. And in sulfonation reaction, what is substituted in benzene ring? SO3H plus electrophile or SO3 molecule. It is neutral. Molecule means neutral, no? Neutral electrophile, charged electrophile. SO3H plus is what? Charged electrophile, and SO3 molecule is what? Neutral electrophile. So any one of these two electrophiles are used in the reaction. That point keep in mind. Next, CH3 plus. Next is what? CH3 plus. The CH3 plus is what? Generally methyl carbocation. What is it? Methyl carbocation. CH3 plus is what? Generally carbonium ion we say. So methyl carbonium ion or methyl carbocation. So alkyl, CH3 is methyl, no? Methyl is nothing but alkyl. Alkyl carbocation. So if alkyl carbocation is substituted in the benzene ring, suppose that reaction is called alkylation. What is it called? Alkylation. Alkylation meaning what? Alkylation means the substitution of CH3 plus or any R plus, capital R plus. So CH3 plus we can also say what? R plus. R plus means alkyl carbocation. So alkyl carbocation, if it is substituted in the benzene ring, that reaction is called alkylation reaction. Alkylation reaction. In alkylation reaction, what is the electrophile? Used R plus. Here in this case, we have taken example CH3 plus, methyl carbocation. It may be ethyl carbocation, methyl carbocation. If exactly CH3 plus methyl carbonium ion is substituted in benzene ring, suppose, that is called methylation. If ethyl group is substituted in the benzene ring, suppose, that is called ethylation, and so on. So alkylation commonly we say. Next electrophile is CH3CO plus. CH3CO plus. This CH3CO plus is called acyl ion. Acyl carbocation we say. Acyl carbocation. Carbocation generally means carbon with positive charge, right? Carbon with positive charge is called what? Carbocation. Here acyl ion. Okay. Here it is alkyl carbocation. It is acyl carbocation. Acyl carbocation, alkyl carbocation. So when acyl group is substituted in benzene ring, CH3CO plus. CH3CO plus is what here? Acyl carbocation. When acyl carbocation is substituted in the benzene ring, that reaction is called acylation. Alkylation, acylation. Okay, when acyl group is substituted, it is called acylation. When alkyl group is substituted, it is called alkylation. So alkylation of benzene, acylation of benzene. Both are what? Electrophilic, aromatic substitution reactions. Okay, so now these two reactions, alkylation and acylation, reactions are also called Friedel-Crafts reactions. What are they called? Who proposed that reactions? Who gave that reactions? Friedel and Kraft, scientist names. So the scientist names remember here. Friedel, Friedel-Crafts. So Friedel-Crafts, alkylation or acylation we say. Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation we say. Okay, so this alkylation acylation reactions given by scientists. Okay, so Friedel-Crafts. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation, in that alkyl group is substituted, and Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction in which the acyl group, that is CH3CO plus group, is substituted in the place of hydrogen atom. So hydrogen is replaced by CH3CO plus acyl carbocation in acylation reaction. In alkylation reaction from benzene, hydrogen is replaced by what? R plus. R plus is what? CH3 plus, methyl plus. Okay, so in this way, we have to understand that there are different types of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of benzene. So what are the reactions names? Tell me. If chlorine is substituted, Cl plus 1, if electrophile substituted in the benzene ring, that is called chlorination. Chlorination. If NO2 plus nitronium ion is substituted, it is called nitration of benzene. If SO3H plus electrophile, charged electrophile, or SO3 molecule, that is neutral electrophile, if any one of these electrophiles, if any one of these is substituted in benzene ring, that reaction is called sulfonation. In sulfonation reaction, what is electrophile, they ask you. You may write either SO3H plus or SO3, both will come under electrophiles. But here it will be preferred. It will be preferred over this SO3. Okay, so the here in this case the species is more electron deficient than SO3. Relatively, SO3 molecule neutral electrophile and SO3H plus sulfonium carbocation, if you take sulfonium electrophile, if you take, between these two, this sulfonium ion is relatively more electron deficient than SO3. Therefore we use what now here? We use what? SO3H plus. We prefer SO3H plus as electrophile over SO3. But SO3 also can be used. In some books it is taken SO3, in some books it is taken SO3H plus. Okay, now it is sulfonation reaction. It is nitration reaction. Next is what? The substitution of CH3 plus carbocation in the place of hydrogen of benzene. That is called methylation. Methylation or alkylation. So in alkylation, what can be? What can be the electrophile alkylation reaction? The CH3 plus, C2H5 plus, C3H7 plus, like this. Any alkyl carbocation may act as what? Electrophile in alkylation reaction. That alkylation reaction name is what? Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Next reaction is what? Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, what is electrophile? CH3CO plus carbocation. CH3CO plus carbocation is called acyl carbonium ion or acyl carbocation. This acyl carbocation is substituted in the place of what? Hydrogen of benzene molecule. That is, the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by one of the hydrogens. One of the hydrogens of benzene is replaced by what? Is replaced by this electrophile CH3CO plus. The same way, Br plus is what now? Br plus is bromonium ion, bromonium electrophile. The bromonium electrophile, if it is substituted in the place of hydrogen of benzene, that reaction is called bromination. Bromination reaction, acylation reaction, alkylation reaction. Here, sulfonation. These two together what? Sulfonation reaction. Here, nitration reaction. Here, chlorination reaction. So this reaction what now here? Sulfonation. So in sulfonation, what is electrophile? In sulfonation, electrophile is what? SO3H plus or SO3. What is preferred here? SO3H plus is preferred. Why SO3H plus is preferred here? Because it is more electron deficient than SO3 relatively. So it is about what now here? Sulfonation reaction. That point keep in mind. So next, first step is what now here? In electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. In this mechanism, what is first step? The formation of electrophile. The electrophile may be any one of these. Any one of these will act as what? Electrophile. That point keep in mind. So first of all, tell me what is mechanism here? The path of reaction. The path of reaction is called mechanism of reaction. Mechanism of reaction means the study of a chemical reaction, study of an organic reaction, in detailed manner, stepwise manner is called what? Mechanism. So, in the mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, totally 3 steps are there. Among the 3 steps, first step is the formation of electrophile. Next, coming to the second step now. The second step, if you see, okay, in this second step, what happens is that the benzene is attacked by electrophile. Here, benzene is nucleophilic center, I told you. Here, electrons are there in benzene. So, in benzene, always electrons are moving. The pi electrons are shifting like this here. Pi electrons are shifting inside the benzene ring. Due to this delocalization of pi electrons, here, what happens now? Some amount of energy is released from benzene. Whenever a charged particle is moving, according to electrodynamics, according to modern electrodynamics, classical physics, if you take, what happens now? Whenever a charged particle is moving, it loses some amount of energy. Here, the pi electrons are moving. The 6 pi electrons in the benzene ring, they are in motion always. So they are in delocalization. That means what? When they are delocalizing from one place to other place, they lose energy. That means the energy of benzene becomes less. Whenever the benzene energy is becoming less, its stability increases. The stability of benzene increases by having lesser energy. Why it is losing energy? By delocalization of electrons. This shifting of pi electrons or delocalization of pi electrons is called resonance. When does the resonance occur? If the pi bond and pi bond, if the pi bond and another pi bond are at alternative position in the ring. So in this substance here, in this molecule, in the given molecule, if the pi bonds are at alternative position, you see pi bond, here no pi bond, here again pi bond. Pi bond and pi bond are at alternative positions. So this type of alternative pi bonds will make it undergo what? The delocalization of pi electrons. So the delocalization means what? Shifting of pi electrons here. Shifting of pi electrons, okay? So this shifting of pi electrons will make the benzene, what here? Nucleophile. Nucleophile meaning what here? Electron rich. Nucleophile means what here? Electron rich species here. So this nucleophilic center will attract what now? E plus. E plus meaning what here? E plus is what? Electro. E plus is what? Electrophile. Nu minus is what? Nucleophile. So benzene is what now? Nucleophile, which is attacked by E plus. That point keep in mind. So now here, why electrophile is attacking this benzene here? The reason is that the nucleophilic center is the benzene here. Every pi bond acts as what? Nucleophilic center. Every pi bond acts as what here? Pi bond acts as nucleophilic center. So what is nucleophilic center here? Pi bond. So this pi bond attracts what? Electrophile. The electrophile is attracted by one pi bond. Always we have to show this curved arrow. The curved arrow should be shown from nucleophilic center to electrophile. Remember, here the attack of electrophile at this position. The attack of electrophile at this position is shown like this. We should not do, draw the arrow like this. Don't show arrow from E plus to benzene. Here from pi bond of benzene to E plus. Curved arrow we have to show like this. Curved arrow. So the curved arrow from nucleophilic center of benzene to electrophile, showing that the electrophile is attacking the pi bond. Electrophile is attacking what here? This pi bond. So that point we have to remember. And this reaction is what? Slow. The slow step. What is this? The slow step. Slow step meaning what? Whenever unstable compound, whenever it is formed, whenever the product is unstable, the product forming is unstable, the reaction will be slow. Remember, if a reaction is said to be slow reaction, what does it mean? The product formed may be less stable. The less stable species is forming by more stable. Benzene is relatively more stable than this carbocation. Than this cation, the benzene is more stable. Okay, so in this, what is happening? Electrophile is attacking now. That's why what is happening? It is converted into some unstable species. As unstable species is formed, okay, we have to understand that. The reaction is slow reaction. The slow step it is. Is the concept here? So next reaction is that here the benzene is attacked by electrophile to form what? One carbocation. See here, this pi bond is shifted like this. Pi bond will shift like this and form a bond with E. Already one hydrogen is there in benzene. Already one hydrogen is there. One E will be added here. This pi bond converts into sigma bond and forms a bond with E plus. See here, the new bond is formed here. C bond E is formed, a new bond. Already this bond was there. CH bond already was there. Okay. And now here, what happened? This pi bond lost in this place. That's why this carbon gets what now? Plus charge. This carbon gets positive charge. Now here C plus is what? Carbocation or erinium ion. From erine, from benzene, we are getting this one. So it is erinium ion. Or we say sigma complex. This carbocation formed from benzene is called sigma complex. So here the new sigma bond is formed and one pi bond is formed here. Positive charge is formed and one sigma bond is formed. So pi bond has been shifted to form a sigma bond here with E. Sigma bond is formed here. So it is called sigma complex. The pi bond converted to sigma here. So sigma complex is erinium ion here. So after this erinium ion formation, so now here what we have to understand is that, so the carbocation which is formed here unstable. Okay, and also remember here, the conjugation, the resonance will also occur, the shifting of electrons will also occur when pi bond and positive charge are at alternative position. Here this carbon has positive charge, this carbon has positive charge, and here pi bond and positive charge both are at alternative position. Again the resonance occurs. Resonance meaning what here? The shifting of electrons, delocalization of electrons. So again here the resonance is possible. Okay, because of that, now here what happens is that in this carbocation there will be shifting of electrons, means delocalization of electrons, to give what more stability to this carbocation. This carbocation formed gets more stability. It is stabilized by resonance phenomena. Why resonance occurs here? The pi bond and positive charge at alternative position. So what will be available here? Resonance phenomena is possible to occur here. So because of resonance, this carbocation will be stabilized. So remember that this is stabilization of this carbocation. So how it is stabilized, you check it here. So initially I'm taking this one. This carbocation I'm taking here. The same thing. Okay. Here positive charge is there. Now pi bond will shift towards positive. Now this pi bond will be shifting here, and here new pi bond is formed. You see, new pi bond is formed here. Okay. Next here, this place what will be forming? Positive charge. This positive charge shifted to this place. The positive charge is dispersed from this place to this place. The positive charge is dispersed here. The pi bond is shifted here like this. The pi bond is shifting this side. The positive charge is shifting this side. Remember. Now again here, this pi bond and positive charge at alternative position again. That's why again this pi electrons will shift towards positive charge. Again the positive charge will be dispersed to this place. The positive charge is dispersed from this place to this place. And the pi bond shifted from this place to this place here. So pi bond has come from this place to this place. So like this, pi electrons are shifting and the positive charge also is dispersing from one place to other place. This is called a resonance. Okay, and this E carbon bond H, carbon bond E will remain same here. Okay, now what is happening? The positive charge from this place to this place has been dispersed, shifted. And the pi electrons also moving from one place to other place here. Pi bond is shifted here. So now this is called resonance phenomena. Because of resonance, it is stabilized. Carbocation formed is stabilized. So it is called resonance, stabilization of carbocation. So like this, we got finally what? Resonance hybrid. What we got? Resonance hybrid. This dotted lines indicating what? Shifting of positive charge. From here to here, the positive charge has been dispersed, shifted. That's why we are showing like this here. The positive charge is dispersed from this place to this place. Okay, it is a resonance hybrid of all these resonating structures or canonical forms. And last step is that, third step is that from this carbocation, the proton will be lost. The loss of proton by carbocation or removal of proton from carbocation is the third step. So in the third step, what happens is that, so this carbocation I am taking here, same thing. This carbocation I am taking here, which is formed in second step. Now it is carbocation of benzene, okay, or erinium. What is this here? Erinium ion of benzene. Now this erinium ion and Nu minus. Nu minus is formed here. This is what? Nucleophile. The nucleophile now. Nucleophile removes what? Proton. This H plus will be removed here. The hydrogen is replaced, means removed by this minus in the form of what? Proton. H plus indicates what here? Proton. The proton is removed here. Removal of what? Proton. Third step is what? Removal of proton from the carbocation. So how the H plus is removed here? With the help of Nu minus. Nu minus removes this one. And this curved arrow different. Remember, here it is showing from nucleophilic center to electrophilic center. Means attack of electrophile at this point. But here, removal of this bond, this species, H plus is removed by this. Nu minus removes what? H plus. And here this bond is there, na CH bond here. The CH bond will be shifted to this place. The CH sigma bond is there, na. The CH sigma bond will be shifted to pi bond again. Here newly pi bond is formed. Here newly pi bond is formed. This pi bond is newly formed, and here H is not there now. Only C bond E is there. C bond E is there. H is lost. The proton is removed here. So removal of proton is what? Third step. So Nu minus removes what? Proton to give what? The substitution product. In this substitution product, again, how many bonds have been attained? 3 pi bonds. 3 pi bonds again there. So here it is also having initially benzene 3 pi bonds. Benzene initially has 3 pi bonds because of alternative pi bonds, and as it is following Haeckel's rule, as the benzene is following Haeckel's rule, 4n+2 rule, it is what? Aromatic compound initially. Now here also it is also following what? Aromatic nature. Means aromaticity or aromatic character of benzene is maintained here. So initially aromatic, here aromaticity lost. Again here it became aromatic. So to maintain aromatic character, what happens here? The proton is removed by nucleophile. The nucleophile removes the proton to again get pi bond in the benzene nucleus. So like this, how many pi bonds now? 3 pi bonds. Okay, with E. E is what? Electrophile. Initially we have taken benzene like this. So benzene with hydrogen here we have taken. So this hydrogen is replaced by what? E. E means what? Electrophile. So electrophile is substituted in the place of what? Hydrogen of benzene. So it is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now this H plus is removed by Nu minus, and HNu, that is HNu species is formed here. The nucleophile and hydrogen will combine to form another product, byproduct. So it is main product what now here? Substitution product here. So electrophile is substituted in the place of hydrogen of benzene. So it is what now here? Step 3 of electrophilic aromatic substitution. So in this way we have to understand what now here? The mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution involves 3 steps. Step 1 is the formation of electrophile. Step 2 is the attack of electrophile on the benzene ring or nucleophilic center. And third step is what? The removal of proton from the carbocation to give the final substitution product. So this way we have to understand what here? There are 3 steps in the mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So what are these called? In short form we say EAS. EAS stands for electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Is the concept clear, ma? So it's about what now here? The mechanism of reactions. Mechanism is nothing but the path of chemical reaction. Okay, thank you. Bye. Good day.